Tea Time with Trav. Roach, Styles, and Day. They went to a fashion show, and instead of them giving him a seat next to her, there was no seat, designated for him. Roach said that he's retiring from the industry because he feels as though he's tired of the politics. What's going on, y'all? It's Ayootravv, and I'm back, back. I'm back again, and y'all, today we got Chipotle. Straight to the point, we got Chipotle. Somebody said something about Chipotle yesterday, and I was like, oh, damn, it's been a minute. Let me get Chipotle. I'm going to say grace, and I'm going to show y'all what we got, even though we pretty much get the same thing every time we go to Chipotle. Father God, I come here today to ask you to watch over this food. Please, it be a nourishment to my body. Please, let me digest this food properly. And I pray, amen, amen, one more time. Amen. First off, how y'all day going? Y'all too. I have a bowl, double chicken, bowl, double. As far as the toppings, everything's pretty the same. This one got black beans, and this one got pinto beans, but I think they're different. And it's got fajitas. Everything else is the same. But this one is a burrito, steak burrito. Oh, and this one got brown rice, this one got white rice. That's the only difference. That is the only difference. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. My thumbnail gonna be when I take a bite out this big old burrito. I couldn't even wait. I'm gonna get y'all close up. Phoenix doing something. I can hear it. No, no what? Oh, hell. What? Oh, see, I'm rolling. Chipotle, do better. Just sit still. Dang. Oh, come on. Be for real. Be for real. Let me just turn it that way. Whatever. We have a close up before I put the sauce on there. And now let's put our vinaigrette. If you don't have a vinaigrette when you get a Chipotle bowl, you tripping. You are tripping. Oh, I should have known that was gonna do that. I should have known it was gonna do that. Y'all know I used to eat my Chipotle bowls with a spoon. I've never understood why people eat with a fork because, there's rice in there, but it really do pick up everything else better. Stop forward. Yeah, I'm going back to LA in April. I don't know if I told y'all that, but I had a good time. I got to go back. And I'm going back for 420. Anybody know, is it focused? Yes, focused. Anybody that know what 420 is, you know why I'm trying to be in Cali on 420. I ain't even got to explain it. If you don't know, Google what do 420 mean. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all know. She doing something. I can't see it from here. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, man. Probably follow that. Yo, this Chipotle that I went to, they was not stingy with the meat. Y'all know that's another problem I have with Chipotle. They sprinkle your meat on there, and then they want to charge you $3. When you tell them that ain't enough. I'm like, girl, is that meat coming out your check? Because you better put some more on there. All right, Lord. Oh my God. Oh hell no. Oh my God. The whole burrito falling apart. Oh, this is ghetto. This is ghetto. Ghetto. I'm over it. Tea time with Trav. So Law Roach is a fashion designer or stylist. Let me say that. Law Roach is a fashion stylist. I'm choking. But that's probably not the right word. So God told me to check myself. But anyway, Law Roach styles Zendaya. He's been styling her for a while. They went to a fashion show, and instead of them giving him a seat next to her, there was no seat, designated for him. Excuse me. So she was like, oh, it's a seat right here, which was the row behind her. And Law Roach said that he's retiring from the industry because he feels as though he's tired of the politics. So that's the part I want to talk about. Because I have a couple of different feelings about this. Some agree with him, but some don't. I think oftentimes we forget that we all play a role. And when you're playing your role, you need to play your role. If he's her stylist, there's no guarantee that he's going to be placed exactly where he feels as though he should be placed. And I don't think that's about politics. I think that's about them catering to the people that they feel as though they need to cater to. Zendaya is the star when it comes to, they wanted her there for whatever reason. Him being the stylist, that's considered her plus one. Because a lot of these events you get a plus one, maybe plus two, depending on who you are. Excuse me. And the seat next to her was, if I'm not mistaken, Emma Roberts. So what they want on their front row is people like Zendaya, people like Emma Roberts. And unfortunately, he don't fit that criteria of what they needed to be in their front row. Of course, they're going to cater to these bigger stars, these bigger artists, because that is going to attract more of an audience. It's going to attract more people to come. It may be even attract more celebrities as well when they know who's on the guest list. It's also going to invite more paparazzi. Because if they just have a regular fashion show, they don't have a Zendaya, they don't have an Emma Roberts, they don't have a whoever, the paparazzi is going to be there because that's their job. However, when you put those big name stars on there, that's going to make more of them come. So they're going to come in abundance. And it's going to get more headlines and stuff because if you see Zendaya wearing this whatever, if she wants to wear a wedding dress, the headlines is going to be Zendaya wears big flashy wedding dress at such and such fashion show. So now that's getting them more attention from the media because of who they had there. So when you think about stars that's going to attract a big crowd, a big audience, unfortunately you don't think of a Roach. And that's not to say that he's not great at what he do, because he is, but they obviously didn't see the star power that they felt as though would have come to their event had he been one of those VIP guests. So in that aspect, is like, well, maybe you expected more than what they felt you deserved, so I don't understand why it's a problem. But then on the flip side, if he's her stylist and this is a fashion show, I can also understand why he felt the way that he felt. Just playing devil's advocate. Now, when it comes to that being like the cherry on top, and now he's saying he want to retire because of politics and stuff, off rip, I was like, that's extra. You doing too much. But on the flip side, I don't know what he goes through in the industry for me to say that he's doing too much. I don't know. So everybody just look at stuff differently. And I think I will look at it more so that she's the star, so this is why she's where she is. Yes, I'm here with her, but the focus isn't on me. I would know how to play my role. And then with that, that's why we see a lot of issues with people who work with bigger stars. It don't work out because sometimes these people find someone that they feel as though should work for them and do a certain job, but that person really wants to be the star. They really want that. They really want the attention. They want the media coverage. They want all of that person is getting. So it doesn't work out because they're low-key jealous because they want to be in that spot. Not saying that that's what happened with Roach, but we see that time and time again. Think about it. Ain't that why a lot of girl groups break up? Because they see one is outshining the other, or one is getting more opportunities than the other, and now it's a problem. This burrito is, I don't know. It's over with for the burrito. Yeah. All right. We just got to make it work. I don't know how, though. But we going to figure something out. I'm falling all apart. Everywhere. We're going to have like 2 bowls. At this point. That burrito ain't stand a chance. But with that being said, y'all, how would y'all feel? Do y'all feel as though he was disrespected by having to sit? It was literally directly behind her. Y'all feel like it was a form of disrespect? Or do y'all think that he may just be overthinking it? That's what I'm really leaning towards, but again, I don't want to invalidate his experiences because I don't fully know what he's had to go through. I'm just saying, I may not have handled it that way. You know, saying I'm ready to retire, I'm going to quit. Especially because I believe he's young. Hey Siri, how old is Law Roach?
Okay, I found this on the web for how old is Laura Walsh. Check it out.
She's talking about Laura Walsh. Hold on. Let's see. I'm pretty sure he's still young. So for him to be saying retire, it's like, yeah. He about my mama age. He ain't that young. He's young as I thought. But he still got some years on him. He definitely still got some years on him. So I do hope that whatever it is, he doesn't let this be his end all be all. I think he got a lot left, especially being a fashion stylist. You could be old as dirt and still styling people. It's a lot of old people that do it. And I don't want to offend anybody when I say old, but you know, people really do be old. I don't want him. I want him to quit. I mean, me personally, I didn't know who he was until I saw Legendary, but he actually does have a nice resume. He does. And I think in that type of industry, the sky is the limit. Maybe he don't need to work with stars who are big but don't have certain powers. Let me explain what I mean by that. So think of like a Taylor Swift or somebody. She's at that level in her career where if she get invited somewhere, whether it's an award show, fashion show, whatever, she can say, I want this, I want that, I have to have this, I'm bringing 5 people with me, they need to be sitting right next to me, they need their own rooms, they need flowers, I need flowers. Like, she has the star power to do so. Because a lot of people are going to cater to that because of the type of attention that she could bring to their event. Zendaya, yes, she is a star. She's definitely, her star power is increasing every day, but I don't think she's at that level in her career where she can make those type of demands. So if he wants to be treated like the star or get similar treatment to what they're getting at an event that they're invited to and he's their plus one, maybe he needs to work with bigger stars. Either work with bigger stars so you can get more, better treatment, or work with smaller artists because at the end of the day, a check is a check. They may not pay you what Zendaya is paying you, but if you work with quite a few of them, it'll add up. That's just some stuff to consider. Or maybe, I don't know. I ain't got that many options for him. I just want him to quit. I don't want him to quit. He might be mean, but I think he's good at what he does. So, and I hate to see people give up on their dream because of how other people acted. And that's what this would be. He'll be giving up on his dream job, his passion, because of how other people treated him. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay, I'm getting full. I'm getting full. Ooh, I'm getting full. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, y'all. I'm cool. Boom. Y'all know what to do. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button right there. Hit the bell next to it so you'll be notified each and every time I'm dropping a video. But if you don't, if you want to stay connected with the Ayootravv, jump into the description box, scroll down to the bottom, boom. Right there, you're going to see my social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, BIGO. Add me, follow me, leave me a comment on Instagram, leave me a comment, leave me a comment here, do whatever. But don't send me no news on Snapchat. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you want me to say, what you don't want me to say, what you want me to say, what you don't want me to say. Other than that, it's been real. Ayootravv is out.